This is my technology portfolio by Jessica DeWitt. A few tools that we have used over this semester was Adobe Spark, Piktochart, Powtoon, and Quizalize. Things I've learned about safety and privacy of technology tools. I learned how the government and schools are sometimes able to look at people's social media accounts, which maybe some people think that are unfair due to privacy reasons, but others understand it because social media is for everybody. Adobe Spark. We used Adobe Spark to create an assignment called My Digital Life. I also thought this was a cool tool to use because there's many pictures, music, voiceover, and I would like to show you mine. I'm going to present to you a simile that describes my digital life. I personally really like my digital life. This is because my digital life is like a big, beautiful butterfly garden. I say a butterfly garden because I believe that I am as social as a butterfly through my digital life. I believe I'm very social because I have multiple apps that I use on my phone to connect with friends and family. These apps help me communicate with even my distant family and friends. That was one of my favorite projects that we completed this semester. Okay, next we have technology trends and infographic. Like this project, I did an infographic using Piktochart. Now if we go to Piktochart, this is the website. It's very to use. I just sign up with my email, but I was already logged in. These are a few of the ones that I have created. We'll go here and we'll present this one. I just learned how to present these. Okay. So show presentation. And I did an infographic on American Sign Language gloves. Okay. I believe this website is also very easy to use. It can show you you have a folder with all your projects. You can just hit infograph, and they have all these templates to choose from, as well as you can start from scratch. And you can add as many slides as you want, kind of like PowerPoint, but the difference is there are graphics like icons, illustrations, photos, framing, design components, styles, charts. Very cool, very easy to use, very self-explanatory. Okay. Next we have screencast tools. And like this assignment as well, I use Screencast-O-Matic for a video. To show you just an example of my video. This is my infographic on American Sign Language gloves. American Sign Language gloves are wearable tech gloves that people can wear to translate ASL into verbal communication. So like this assignment I am completing now, I used Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is also easy to use. All you do is sign in, it's free, and you could take a screenshot, make a recording, or open the video editor. You can edit your videos. I just click make a recording and then it pops up. You can also do it where they can see you speaking and not just your screen, which I thought that's pretty cool. There's also your folders, images, and videos that will be saved over here. Okay. Next we have formative assessment tools. For one of my assignments, I used Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is really cool to use, and to try to describe it a little bit, it's like playing a video, and every little bit they stop and they ask questions about the video, And I think this would be good for future teachers to use to make sure that their students are staying on track and actually watching and understanding what the video is about. Edpuzzle is like Pear Deck and Nearpod. When completing my assignment, I chose Edpuzzle because I felt that it was the easiest to use and had more options to choose from within the tool. Lastly, we have quiz tools. For the quiz tools, my two favorites were Kahoot and Quizalize. I used Kahoot a lot as a college student, so I was able to use it more easily and quicker, and learned a little bit more about it. But Quizalize was new to me, and I really enjoyed this one. I thought it was easier to use, and it gave more specifics on like time, and it gave pictures you can choose from and colors you can choose from, and it gave you different like they could be open-ended, true and false, scramble, pick a few, many different options with this one, and I really enjoyed that one. And to conclude, I did like this class this semester. It was definitely a class for teachers in learning, but I also learned about a few websites that I could use in my future as a speech-language pathologist. Thank you for watching.